Oh, Daddy act like we just had him run a damn marathon. He act like he out of it. He can't do nothing else. He's so tired.
It's supposed to grow up. That's how Romeo gets wrapped. If the cap plate goes in, his cap plate don't get cracked.
Okay.
So we need some batteries. I don't know how. How you put the batteries? I don't know where you put the batteries in. I don't know where you put it.
Oh, so you want to help Daddy put it together? Help Daddy put it together.
My look.
Come.
Since it actually got me bendy, right?
Okay, come help Daddy put the PJ Masks together, loving.
Okay.
Go from the side. Bring the box closer so Daddy can see what he's doing.
Give me them two things.
And the trash can is for Romeo to fall. For Romeo to fall. The trash can. It's for Romeo to fall. Dad, Romeo falls into the trash can.
Give me the other one.
Romeo's supposed to fall into the trash can.
Yeah.
They get shoot out. Look, you just shoot it like that.
Okay.
They got. Wait. See?
Oh, okay.
They turn around while you do it.
We had a gecko. That's gecko. Look, he's gecko. And this one is his cars. And this is gecko.
Where's the doctor? Where's all that?
What doc? He's not a doctor.
Romeo.
He's
Romeo.
Not doctor.
I don't know what this thing is.
What glows up? Why it glows up at Capley's dome? He's over trying to do this.
Your tablet has to be charged.
Oh.
It's in your room. I saw it in your room.
Oh.
I didn't mean you had to show the camera. I just meant to play where you can. Camera can see.
Now, I mean, look. It goes like got crashed.
Yeah.
And he tripped over and he banged his head straight.
Oh, shit. Mommy can take a nap, guys. Mommy wants to take a nap. You guys gonna let me take a nap after this?
Yeah. But Dad's gonna have to help us with everything.
You just got the other Paw Patrol. I don't think there's much to do to that Paw Patrol truck. You just probably gotta take it. Oh, Daddy act like we just had him run a damn marathon. He act like he out of it. He can't do nothing else. He's so tired.
Mine's still heavy.
Okay. So now let's see.
What
else we got on here?
Oh, it came with. How about I put both of you guys?
Here, get the thing behind you. Get the dumpster behind you.
Yes?
Yep.
Wait.
Okay, so let's put these in the dumpster. We're gonna put
See how?
these in the dumpster right here.
What?
That one's gonna go in the dumpster. On this side, hold on. Right here.
Hit me in the
Turn
head.
around. Yep.
Nothing's in here. Why is it taped up?
Now you gotta go find all your Paw Patrol.
Wait.
Here. No, that's not where I told you to put it. Let me see it. I told you to put it there at the top.
There's nothing
No,
in
you
it.
weren't paying attention.
See something. Why they put nothing in here? They're triggers.
I am RoboCop. Why does this kid look like he look Mexican?
He is Mexican. He lives in a Mexican place. Byron lives in a Mexican
Here,
place.
Daddy.
It's done. Put together already.
Alright, I think that's good enough. I don't know where the other ones go.
Mexican.
Take these boxes in the garage.
I love it. I remember when she was hop on with something with me.
Oh, when we were at the mall? We were in the mall and I got on the car with you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was that fun? I enjoyed it. You all right?
The bug got hurt.
Dang, man, I didn't record that. Dang, I didn't catch it. Dang, that was something to record, man, and I didn't catch it.
Mommy.
Huh?
Mommy.
Her
Mommy.
shaking it off, shaking it off.
Mommy, I'm not hot.
But you see how you just fell? That's exactly what has to happen on the bike. You have to fall a couple times on the bike too. And then you're going to feel better. You're going to feel more confident.
What?
Baby.
Hi, guys. Hi. We're just walking around the block. We're just walking around the block. He's riding his bike, what he got for Christmas. I tried to ride my bike. It was too hard for me. I'm going to try to train another day.
My bike's
But
here, guys.
now I'm on a
Because
hoverboard.
mine's little.
And he has training wheels, so
That's how I know how to drive my bike. Because I learned it from Walmart.
You learned it from Walmart?
Yeah, that's where I learned it from. You're so comfy, Mommy. You're so comfy. I'm going to ride my bike now. I
Got it? You may push you a little bit?
No, I got it.
Big push. That's why your butt fell last time.